Okay, good morning. Wasn't sure if this was recording. Um, okay, so first thing, my presentation, I don't have much on it, obviously, but that was because I wanted to explain it better. I feel like with what I'm trying to get across, I didn't need much on there. I don't need all the pictures and everything multimedia on there. I felt like just these two words are perfect. Be kind. I'm going to read off of my phone as far as just making sure I cover everything. So my outcome, so first of all, with this assignment, I wanted to focus more on empathy. That video really spoke to me that I watched from this assignment. I'd say mainly because my mom is a nurse, and I was actually a dental assistant for a couple years, so with that background, I kind of learned to understand people's situations. But that was at work. Now, with what I do now, I worked with my coworkers this week on kind of just teaching them that you never know what someone's going through, and we communicate. So with what I do now, we're separate from all the dental offices, but we still communicate each day with them multiple times a day. So we on a daily basis have to speak with people from the office 4 or 5 times. So some days they call and they're happy. Some days, like for instance, one day this week, came across someone being rude to us, but I took into consideration that I don't know what they're going through at home. I don't know what health issues they have. One person there could be experiencing the best day of their life. One could be going through a hard time at home. Someone could have passed away. Someone could have had a health problem come up. You just never know. So you should always be kind to those people, no matter what. I always have said that how you treat others is only going to make you look like a better person. Or not, I would say not make you look like a better person, but you're going to be the bigger person. You're going to be the better person because of how you treated them. And how they treat you is just going to represent how they are as a person. So, let's see. So we didn't really have any steps. We just kind of, if someone was rude to us, we thought in our heads, hey, I don't know what this person's going through. They could be going through a lot right now. They could have had a bad day at work. They could have had a rude patient come up to them. You never know. But as long as you're kind to them, next time when they call, they're going to be kind to you. And you would hope. Let's see. I noticed this week when I was more friendly. Some days this week, unfortunately, I wasn't feeling the best. I had a sinus infection. Still kind of getting over it, but, so I was a little bit ill a couple days at work, and I had to keep telling myself, be kind, that they're going to be kind to me if I'm kind to them. So, let's see. I noticed that when I was more agitated and ill towards them, they kind of threw it back at me as well. So then the next day when I came in, I said, you know what, I'm going to be nice. I may not feel the best, but I'm still going to push through. And they don't know what I'm going through. So of course they're not going to be as friendly to me if I'm not as friendly to them. Let's see. I felt really well after the 2 days. I actually tried to make sure I was all day very kind. I felt really good. It made me feel, this whole class in general has made me really open my eyes to seeing more of, I do need to focus on my goals. I need to work on time management. I need to focus on realizing that people have other situations going on at home. And like I said, that video that was shown, it really opened my eyes because, you pass strangers every day and you never know what they're going through. So my suggestion is to be a kind person, and how the other person takes it, that's completely on them. But hopefully I covered everything in this video. like I said, let's see. I definitely would love to keep working on this, especially the different other scenarios and with the HQC methods and just taking them one at a time. But I really just want to focus on the empathy for this video because I feel like that one spoke to me the most. So thank you so much.